Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to put end screens on your videos on your phone. So this is going to work for any device, whether it's iPhone, Samsung, whatever phone you have, it's going to be the same process throughout. So first of all, you're going to want to go ahead and delete your YouTube app because for some reason on the phone you can't do it. So let's go ahead and delete that, and once you've done that, you're going to want to bring up a web browser, whether it's Safari, Google Chrome, whatever it is. Type in youtube.com, then you're going to want to make sure you're logged in on this website right here, and then once you're logged in, click on the top right hand corner where your profile picture is, and then you're going to click on your channel or my channel. In the top right hand corner where there's the little three buttons, click on there, and it's going to bring you to the desktop version of this thing here. And then you're going to click on the top right hand corner again where your picture is. Then you're going to want to click Creator Studio. And then once you click Create a Studio, it's going to bring you to this menu. Then you want to click on Video Manager. And then it's going to bring up all your videos that you've uploaded. And then I'm just going to zoom in right here. And if you want to have an end screen one, you want to click Edit on whatever video you want to put the end screen on. And once you've done that, it's going to get you to this menu here. And then you're going to click on End Screen. And then once the end screen's up, you see it's going to come out here. You just want to click Understood on this part. It's telling you what to do and all that type of stuff. Then you're going to want to go ahead and click Add Element. You can zoom in on this or whatever if you want. So click Add Element. First of all, we could do it like a video or playlist. As of the first one, do the most recent upload. So most people would do it this type of way. So the most recent upload they'll put on there. This will be in like the last 20 seconds automatically of a video. Usually it will put it like that. You see it starts with 1 minute 13 there, and the video goes into 1 minute 33. So you can like move that around, put it wherever you want it. And once you've done that, you can add another element. You can add the subscribe button. So most people usually put like 2 videos in the subscribe button. That's what most people do. And once you've done that, you can go ahead and save it. So understood once you put it on there. So let's just show you the saving process real fast. So click most recent upload, create element, make sure it's on there, and then you're going to click save in the top right hand corner. And then like the same thing with the subscribe thing. Click create with that. You're going to put your subscribe thing on there. And once you're done with that, you moved it around however you want to. Click save. And then that's the whole process done. Once it's saved, you can click off it, click back on your video, and then you'll see the end screens on it. So please leave a like on the video if that did help you out. Subscribe for more videos like this. Click on one of the videos on screen or playlist to see more videos. But that's it for now. See you in the next video.